Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video would tell you about the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience and would also share with you the job opportunities with respect to the remote job opportunities as well as work from home job opportunities. So let me share the details with you. So this is a remote job. So they are looking for QA analyst and the city is New Delhi. Experience required is 0 to 4 years, but they will be giving first preference to the experienced candidates. And the location is remote. It's work from home. The shift timings are 6:30 p.m. IST to 2:30 a.m. IST. So these are all the requirements. They are looking for someone who is having good experience with troubleshooting, debugging skills, have good understanding of manual test methodologies and principles. Key skills are also mentioned here: SQL, database, Microsoft Excel, Selenium, test and bug report documentation. And this is the email address wherein you have to apply. Then there's a requirement for manual tester again, and perform manual testing for third party and internally developed systems to ensure quality and compliance. So they are looking for someone who is having 5 to 7 years of experience in testing and someone who is having experience in banking, finance domain, mortgage, and servicing. So if you are a quality focused QA professional, you can definitely apply at this particular email address. Then Skynet Technologies is hiring for automation tester, 3 to 4 years of experience, and it would be 5 days working. The salary would be up to 60K based on interviews, and location would be SG Highway, Ahmedabad, and it's a work from office job opportunity, and they are looking for someone who can join immediately. And this is the email address, and you can WhatsApp your resume at this number. Then there are multiple job opportunities at Geo Hotstar. So they are hiring for senior product managers, staff technical program managers, engineering managers, senior engineering manager, then senior staff, software engineers. So you can apply, you can send your resume to this email address with the subject line of the role you are applying for. Then one more company is looking for senior QA manual tester position, and you can send your updated resume at this email address. HCM is hiring for remote jobs. So they are looking for QA manual, technical project manager, business analyst, and email address is provided. And the salary rates are also mentioned here. Since it's a night shift job, you can get more particular um, amount here. Then there is a requirement for manual QA engineer, and it is 6 months to 1 year. And this is the email address wherein you have to drop your CV. Again, manual testers location is Bangalore, remote on-site, and you can share your resume to this particular email address. Right. So these are few of the job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience, and we covered manual testing as well as automation testing jobs. So you can apply over there today itself. Right. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates. And don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe our channel, because these all kind of information is shared absolutely free of cost with you. We are not charging anything. So request you to like, share, and subscribe our channel.